Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they daily provide you with free questions which will help you boost your preparation of either banking examination or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has very high standard questions, and also all the questions are accompanied by detailed solutions. Okay, so you don't have to wander here and there for the solutions. And also towards the end of the test, they provide you with analysis that how well you have performed, which are the areas which you must work on. Also, the tests are available in both the language, that is Hindi and English, so you can switch between both the languages, and it is accessible either on mobile application or desktop, whichever suits you. Okay, for more information about IBPS Guide quality mocks, you can visit their e-store, that is e-store.ibpsguide.com. Now let's move on to our video. Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. In this particular video, we'll be solving a profit loss DI which will be very important for your SBI PO Mains exam as well as RRB PO Mains exam. Okay, and also you can expect similar type of DI in your RBI Grade B examination. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move on to our question. So this is the direction of the question. The question में आपको क्या बोला है? The following table shows different items sold by the shopkeeper, the cost price per kg of the items, percentage markup on the cost price, and mark price per kg, and lastly the percentage discount on the mark price. Okay, so if you look at this particular table, the first column में आपके पास क्या है? Different items, and there are total 5 items. The second column is talking about the cost price per kg. Third column is talking about percentage markup with respect to cost price, because markup जो है हमेशा हम with respect to cost price निकालते हैं. Now fourth column is about mark price per kg, and lastly they have given percentage discount to be calculated on MP. Okay, now when we give discount on MP, we finally get what? Selling price. So using this information, I can easily find selling price. Okay, now for all the items here they have written some values are missing. You need to calculate those values if required. Okay, so we don't need to find all those values. According to the question, we will try to find out the missing values and solve this question accordingly. समझ आ गया? तो हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मिसिंग वैल्यूज हैं लेकिन सबको नहीं निकालेंगे. क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग जो पूछा जाएगा उसी को निकालेंगे, अदरवाइज we will not find out all the values, right? So question number 1, they are saying shopkeeper give two successive discount of 12% and 13% instead of the single discount of 18% on item D. So here we are talking about item D. Initially the discount was 18%, but now they are giving 20% and again 13% discount is given. Okay, so there are two successive discount like this. Now if percentage markup for the item is 33 1 by 3%, so basically they have given this is 33 1 by 3%. Okay, now here I will have some certain CP. When I will give markup of 33.1 by 3%, then I will get this MP, right? Then his profit is decreased by what percent as compared to the previous profit. Okay, so initially he was giving 18% discount, so initially I will have certain profit, I will say it as P1. Okay, but now he is giving two successive discount, that is 12% and 30%, so there will be some new profit now. Okay, new profit I will mark it as P2. Okay, now we have to find a percentage decrease or increase, okay, in profit. Okay, so how I am going to solve this? First I have to calculate this P1 and then P2, and then we will try to use this percentage increase or decrease formula. Okay, now I know that this is your CP, and when I am marking it up by 33 1 by 3%, so 33 1 by 3% is basically equal to what? In fraction it is 1 by 3. Now since markup is always done with respect to CP, so I can say that this denominator, that is 3 part, is your CP and this is your markup. Okay, ये बोल सकता हूँ ना, क्योंकि मार्कअप हमेशा क्या होता है आपका CP के रेस्पेक्ट में होता है. सो दिस इज मार्कअप, सॉरी दिस इज CP and this is your markup. So therefore your MP will be what? 3 plus 1, because CP plus markup is your mark price. So mark price is 4. Okay, now we already know the value of mark price. Mark price is what? This is 800. Okay, so one part will be equal to what? 200. Now if one part is 200, our CP is 3 parts, so CP will be what? 3 part, that is 600. So I have got this CP, and CP जो है हमेशा constant रहता है. This will remain constant throughout this problem, right? Now if I am able to find this SP, then I can get this profit P1. Okay, now this is my mark price and I am giving 18% discount. Okay, so SP will be what? 800 markup minus discount. Discount is what? 18% of 800, right? So this is 800 minus I will write this 18% as 10 plus 8%, right? 10% will be what? 80, and 8% will be 1% is 8, so 8% will be 64. So if I subtract these two, this will become 720. 720 minus 64 will be what? 656. So CP is 600, our SP is 56, so I can see that P1 value is equal to what? P1 I will write here, P1 is equal to what? 56. So initial profit I have already calculated. Now I have to look for the final profit. Now they are saying that instead of giving this 18%, they are giving 12 and 13%. Now always the discount are given on this mark price. Okay, so mark price SP will be what in this new case? Okay, new SP will be what? This is first they will provide 12. So 800 was there, but initially I am giving 12% discount. Okay, so 12% will be equal to what? This is 800 minus 10% is 80 minus 16. So 96 I have to minus. So this will be 704. So after 12% discount, my SP will be this much. But again I am giving 13% discount. So again I have to subtract this 13% from here. Now 704 minus 10% is 70.4. And 3% is what? 1% is 7.04. So 3% will be what? 21.12. Or I can say that total will be what? 70 minus 91.52. Okay. So 704. So my answer will be what? If I subtract 704 with 91, then I will get this 612. Okay. 613 I will basically get, but this is 0.52 is also there. So 612.48. Okay, so this will be my SP after two successive discount of 12 and 13%. Okay, now initially CP was this much and this is your profit. So I can say that the total profit P2 will be what? SP minus CP, that is 12.48. Okay, so now I have to find out the percentage decrease. Okay, so this is my initial percentage. So if I subtract these two, this will become 43.52. 43.52 with respect to initial profit. So this will be 56. Okay. So this denominator is basically your 100%. Okay. So if this is 100%, 10% will be what? 5.6 is 10%. Okay. Now I have to find this 43, or if I can say this as 44%, right? So if I multiply it by 8, okay. If I multiply it by 8, now 5 into 8 is what? 40 plus 0.6 into 8 is what? 48. So 4.8. So I will get 44.8 if this is 80%. Okay. But I have to find this 43.52 which is less than 80%. So my answer will be very closer to 80%. That is option C. Okay. Now let's move on to our question number 2. Now in question number 2 they are saying how much quantity of item A is sold by the shopkeeper if the cost price of item A is 150 less than twice the mark price of C. Okay. So cost price of A is what? 150 less than twice the mark price of C. So C is here, the mark price of C is what? 275. So if I multiply it by 2, I will get 552. Well, okay, and if I subtract 150 from it, I will get the cost price of A. So cost price of A is what? Basically 400. Okay, now and the mark price of A is what? 5 by 8 of the mark price of D. So mark price of D is this much. So I have to take 5 by 8. That is mark price of A will be equal to what? 500. Right. Now and the total profit earned by selling item A is what? 1320. Okay. Now since they are asking about the how much quantity, and this is the data for per kg. Okay. Mark price is given per kg. So I will assume that I am selling X quantity of item A. So total CP will be what? 400x, and total MP will be what? 500x. Okay. And since they have already given us the discount, okay, so I can directly find the SP. So SP will be what? SP of A will be what? 500x minus, since discount is always subtracted, so 9% of 500x. Right. So this will be equal to what? This will be 45. So if I subtract 45, I will get 455x. Okay. Right. Now I can say that the profit is what? This is your CP and this is your SP. So profit will be what? 55x. 55x is given as 1320. Right. Okay. So if I cancel this by 5, this will become 11. 11x is equal to, and if I cancel this by 5 2 times, 5 6 times, and 4 times. Right. So again, if I cancel this by 11, 2 times and 4 times. So x is equal to what? 24 kg. That is, I have sold 24 kgs of item A. So my answer will be what? Option D. Okay. Now in the third question they are saying if 1 kg of item B is spoilt out of the total 10 kg. Okay. तो आपके पास total कितना था? 10 kg था. But out of that total 10 kg, 1 kg has been spoilt. Okay. So you will be selling only 9 kgs, but you have to pay the price of 10 kg from your pocket. So CP will be counted for 10 kg, but SP will be counted with respect to 9 kg. Okay. Now they are asking what is the total profit or loss made by the shopkeeper on selling the remaining quantity, that is 9 kg of the item, if discount of 8% is given on the mark price of the item. So for B they are saying that this is 8%. Okay, because discount is 8%. Now I know that CP is what? This 500, and we are selling total 80 kg from our pocket. So total CP will be what? 5000, because 500 multiplied by 10 is 5000. Now I have to find this SP. SP will be calculated for 9 kg only, because 1 kg has already spoiled. So SP will be 9 multiplied by the selling price of per kg. Okay. So how I am going to calculate this? Here we have, this is CP, okay. So 20% markup is there. So 20% of this will be 100. So mark price will be what? CP plus markup, that is 500 plus 100, that is 600, okay. Now this is your mark price, and on mark price I am giving 8% discount. So 8% will be what? 48. So 600 minus 48 will be what? 552. So this is 552, right? I have to multiply these two because this will be the selling price per kg, right? So I have to multiply these two and then subtract with this. So this is 5000, and here I will get, this is 500 multiplied by 9 is 4500, plus 50 multiplied by 9 is 450, plus 18, okay. Now this I will cancel out, this will become 500, okay. This I will cancel out, this will become 50. 50 minus 18 is what? 32. So my total profit will be what? This. Now in the fourth question they are saying, to earn more profits, shopkeeper mixes 5 kg of cheaper quality of item C costing rupees this with 15 kg of pure item C and sold the mixture at a discount of 10% more than the original discount offered on item C. If the original discount offered on item C is 14%, so basically they are saying that this is 14%, okay. But here they have told that they are selling the mixture at a discount which is 10% more, okay. That is 110% of what? 14. This is the discount, new discount, right? This is new discount. So 110% means 100% plus 10%. So 100% is 14 plus 10% will be what? 1.4. So total new discount will be what? 15.4%. Okay. Now इस discount को हम किस पे use करेंगे? The mark price to get the SP. So they are asking find the new percentage profit on selling the whole quantity of item C. So we are selling whole. That is 5 kg of the cheaper as well as 15 kg of pure, and the table is about, so we know that discount is what? 15.4% and the mark price is what? 275. So I can directly find out the SP, and the SP will be obtained per kg, right? So this will be per kg. So SP per kg will be what? This is 275 minus 15.4%, okay, 15.4% of 275. But if you look at the options are having gap between them, okay. So I can directly approximate this 15% as 15.4% as 15% only. So this will be 275 minus 10% will be 27.5 and 5% will be what? This 27 I can 27.5 I can write like this, 26 plus 1.5. So 13 minus this will be what? 0.75, okay. So my total answer will be what? This is 27 plus 13, that is 40.1 or 42 you can say, okay. If I subtract 42 I will get this 2, 3 and 3. So 233 will be my selling price per kg, okay. So I have got this selling price per kg as 233 per kg, okay. Now if I am able to find the cost price per kg, then I can directly find out the profit percentage, okay. Now I know that this is your 10% and after giving markup of 10% I am getting this 275, okay. So I can say that 110% of CP is equal to what? 275, okay. So if I cancel this by 11, this will become 10% and this will become 25. So I can say that CP will be what? If I multiply this by 10, so this will become 250. So 100% of CP, that is 250. So our CP is, for the pure item, CP is 250. And since we are mixing 5 kg also, so I have to find total CP and then I have to divide it by 20 so that I get the value of cost price per kg, okay. तो 1 kg का आपका pure item का कितना था? 250 था, but we are selling 15 kg of pure, okay. So I have to multiply this by 15 to find the total cost price of the pure item, plus we are also selling 5 kg of cheaper, okay. So 5 kg multiplied by the cost price of the cheaper quantity, and since we have to find cost price per kg, so total कितना हो गया? This is 15 kg plus 5 kg, 20 kg, okay. Now I will cancel this one. So I will be left with 25 multiplied by 15. So 25 multiplied by 10 is what? 250 plus 25 multiplied by 5 is 125 plus this will be 60. So total will be what? And I have to divide it by 2 also, okay. So 250 plus 6, 310, 300, 410, 435. So 435 divided by 2. So my answer will be what? 400 plus 35 divided by 2. So 217.5, okay. So 217.5, this is your cost price, right? Cost price per kg. Now I can directly say that the profit will be what? If I give this 16, then this will be 33.5. So profit is 15.5, and since profit percentage is always calculated with respect to CP, so this will be 217.5. Now I have to find the percentage value of this, okay. Now this is your 100%, okay. So 10% will be what? 21.75, okay. This is your 10%. Now I can directly see that since we have to find 15.5 and this is less than 21.75, which is 10%, So my answer will be what? Less than 10%. This is not less than 10%. This is also not. This is also not. This is also. So directly my answer will be what? Option E. Okay. Now in the fifth question they are saying find the profit or loss percentage of item E if it is markup 20% above the cost price. So this is 20%. So I can directly find my mark price. Mark price will be what? 20% of this will be 150. So 750 plus 150, that is 900. So mark price is what? 900 and allows 17% discount. So 17% is here. Now if this is mark price, this is discount, I can directly find this SP. SP will be what? This is 10% will be 90 and 7% will be 63. Okay. So if I cancel this 90, this will become 8110, and if I cancel 10, this will become 53. So total 747. Okay. So 747. So our CP is 750, SP is 747. So loss will be what? 3 rupees, and with respect to 750 multiplied by 100%. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by this will be 250. So I will cancel this 25 4 times. So 4 by 10% loss, right? Or I can say 0.4% loss. That is option C will be my answer. Okay. तो ये आपके 5 क्वेश्चन थे इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉफिट लॉस डीआई के. तो आप देख सकते हो कि डीआई में बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे. कुछ आपके क्वेश्चन जैसे फोर्थ क्वेश्चन हो गया, ये आपका काफी अच्छा था. तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन एंड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज आल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन योर SBI PO Mains exam, RRB PO Mains as well as RBI Grade B. Okay. So with this I will conclude today's session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to IBPS Guide, and also for their quality marks you can visit the description below. Thank you so much.